Welcome to Global Day's Awareness Channel, a channel dedicated to raising awareness of UN global events, sharing inspiring stories of beneficiaries, and celebrating professional bodies on their day by highlighting their impact in nation building and sustainable development. What if your greatest weakness could become your greatest strength? This is the story of a man who was forged not by fire, but by failure. Stay tuned to the end, because his journey will remind you that setbacks are not the end, but the beginning of something unstoppable. And now, today's event. World Cotton Day. Did you know that a simple cotton thread connects millions of lives around the world? On this World Cotton Day, join us as we explore how cotton shapes our daily lives, supports families, and builds stronger communities. Stay tuned till the end for inspiring stories from two people whose lives have been changed by cotton. Theme: Cotton, weaving a better future. On this World Cotton Day, we celebrate cotton's role in our lives, not just as fabric, but as a source of livelihood, culture, and progress. Cotton is more than just a soft fabric. It is a lifeline for millions of farmers, workers, and businesses worldwide. Individually, cotton clothes keep us comfortable and confident every day. For communities, cotton farming and industries create jobs, boost local economies, and help reduce poverty. On a national level, cotton supports trade and industry, helping countries grow stronger and more self-reliant. World Cotton Day reminds us to appreciate this humble plant that weaves through our lives and our future. Cotton also inspires creativity and culture. From traditional clothing to modern fashion, cotton fabrics tell stories of heritage and innovation. Supporting cotton means preserving these rich traditions while encouraging new ideas and designs that bring communities closer and celebrate diversity. Stories of impact. Testimony 1. David, 35. The cotton farmer. Growing cotton has changed my life, David shares. Before, I struggled to support my family. With training on better farming methods, my cotton crops improved, and I earn more money now. I can send my children to school and plan for our future. Cotton gave us hope. Just a quick break, please. If you are gaining something from this video and you find it informative and inspiring, kindly support us by subscribing to our channel and tap the notification bell for more global events contents. Subscription is absolutely free. After watching, don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you and welcome back. Stories of impact. Testimony 2. Linda, 31. The textile worker. Linda works in a cotton textile factory. My job helps me provide for my family. I learned skills that made me more confident and independent. I feel proud to be part of the cotton industry that makes clothes people love worldwide. Cotton is not just a plant, it's my community. Thanking the unsung heroes, we thank the farmers, pickers, factory workers, and everyone behind the scenes who make cotton possible. Your hard work and dedication bring cotton from the fields to our homes, connecting the world with warmth and comfort. To all those watching, if you haven't yet been part of the cotton community, consider learning more or supporting local cotton growers and businesses. Every small effort helps grow stronger economies and better lives. Together, we can weave a brighter future with cotton. Final reflection: cotton teaches us that simple things can have great power. By supporting cotton, we support families, communities, and nations. Happy World Cotton Day. Let's celebrate cotton's gift and its role in shaping a better world. Let's raise our glasses to toast and honor the unsung heroes, the farmers, pickers, factory workers, and everyone behind the scenes who make cotton possible. I hope you gained some valuable insight from today's celebration. Thank you for watching. If today's episode resonates with you, please kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notifications for more inspiring celebrations. I remain yours truly, from my heart to yours, love and blessings, Titus Obbe Tere. Shalom. Now, upcoming event. Coming next. The 9th of October, World Post Day. The 10th of October, World Mental Health Day. The 11th of October, International Day of the Girl Child. Please check channel for updates. Thank you and stay blessed.